What's up, my crypto legends? The price of Bitcoin in the next 24 hours is going to get an explosive breakout. We're getting squeezed here inside of this symmetrical triangle. I'm going to talk about the major levels and how to detect that successful breakout. We're going through the DXY, the liquidity map, and also some important news. And at the end of the video, we'll be doing a $1,000 giveaway, okay, for Friday. So make sure to stay tuned for that. Remember, guys, if you are interested in trading, the best trading platform is BYBIT. You got the greatest bonus down below in the description here when you sign up with the link down below. Let's dive in here right away through the price of Bitcoin, because yes, it does look like that we're forming a little bit of a symmetrical triangle. Some of you might think this is a head and shoulder with an ascending neckline, or it's a bullish symmetrical triangle and we're going to continue to the upside. Now, the most important thing is realizing where we at currently. Now, when we do take a look at some major levels here, when we do take a look at the fixed volume profile, we're facing a little bit of resistance at the moment here at the point of control. But we can see that we've formed already 70% of this pattern. So we are ready for that breakout. If we fake out from here and move to the downside, there is a possibility in breaking through here, of course. We have the value area low of the trading range. We have higher low support level. We need to be cautious with fake outs here. If we get an explosive move to the upside with some significant volume, this is likely going to move to the upside here to get above $44,000. This is going to be crucial. I would want to see how the price is going to react at those levels, because no doubt that we could go to $45,000. So it's very important here taking a look at the weekly and daily levels here to realize where the price could reject. And we have that weekly above the highs of the 30th of January. If we do successfully move above here, then obviously I am looking for that choppiness. I am looking for the double tops. I'm looking here for this level to possibly an ABC flat, okay? Possibly be that ABC flat. And that is purely based on the timing. When we do take a look at Fibonacci time from the pivot low here to the high, we're still very shallow in timing. It wouldn't make sense here if the price suddenly starts shooting up, going to $46,000, $47,000. So paying attention here very closely in between 44 and 45k to see if the price is going to get exhausted. And get exhausted, I mean as price action slightly breaking the local highs that we're having here above this high here from the 30th of January at $43,800. Want to see that choppiness, want to see the price getting exhausted, then I would be willing to get into a possible short here to come back down and claim these lows. The main reason why that the price could head above $44,000 is based on the liquidity. There's a huge amount of liquidity here, just round about the $44,000. And as we are getting to the very end of this symmetrical triangle, there is a high chance that we could actually break to the upside. Now, people will get confused here, thinking that this is just going to head up to $46,000, $47,000. Be cautious, guys, because we do have this scenario here of a possible ABC flat. And the main reason why we've seen 5 waves here to the upside, it is very shallow in Fibonacci time. We haven't hit the 1-to-1, which would be by tomorrow. So still very shallow. If we were to break out from here, I would expect the price to get exhausted and get a corrective move. I will not be taking any short trades as we are above the highs and the weekly level here, and we are very impulsive. Not interested in shorts. I want to see the choppiness. I want to see those local double, triple tops to then take that decision. Now, what about to the downside? What if we do reject from this level? No doubt that we have a chance here and actually holding where we do have a new freshly printed daily level. We have the value area low of this trading range also slightly beneath. We are forming higher low support. Okay, so I would be very, very cautious as well here for the price to actually get a bounce. If we start facing down this level, we do not get major reaction and we start moving here beneath higher low support, I would expect all of these higher lows to be claimed with a significant move going all the way down below $41,500. Okay, so pay attention here to this zone. This might happen in the next 24 hours. We do not really know if it's going to successfully break up or break down. The probabilities right now for me are to the upside. Very likely that we could be going all the way up above $44,000 potentially today. And that is really based on that we are at the end of this structure. We possibly could see an ABC flat scenario here forming based on Fibonacci time. It is still very, very shallow as a correction, so we could still be inside of that corrective move, meaning that we're not going to move to higher levels successfully. And also the amount of liquidity that we got all the way up there, so we might just get that leg up of $1,000 to claim that liquidity. Then we're going to be very, very cautious with the price action. To the downside, best level still here is sweeping up all of these lows, looking for that weekly, okay, to finally reclaim, okay, a sign of strength would be reclaiming that weekly for the price to then get another leg here to the upside in the next coming days. That is a little bit of the levels, guys, a little bit of the zone. We are likely going to get that breakout in the next 24 hours, whether that is breaking beneath $42,000 or breaking above $44,000. That is the zone where I want the price to consolidate to then possibly reverse, okay? Taking a look at the DXY, this is definitely worrying, guys, because we are just trying to break through the point of control from the last 2 years. We're looking at 2022 and 23 price action here. We've been talking about DXY getting a high probability higher low right there, and this is not going to be good for Bitcoin for the next coming weeks and months. It looks like that we are attempting right now. We would want to see that rejection here from the point of control. Let's see if we do manage to get some choppiness and finally reject. This rejection would be good for Bitcoin to actually get that leg up above $44,000, and then I would be expecting the DXY to create a higher low. That is purely based on the market structure. We broke here, created a higher high, so higher low has been formed, and we are looking for the DXY to continue to the upside in the coming weeks to claim those highs here from October of 2023. This is not going to be bullish for Bitcoin, unfortunately, but let's check the reactions here during the next coming days. Let's see if we do fail here to break above point of control and then get a leg down. That would be good for Bitcoin during the short term. Let's take a look at some news here going on. Just in, pro-Bitcoin candidate Nayib Bukele re-elected as president of El Salvador. El Salvador is doing absolutely great during the last few years as he is the president. No crime. He is a pro-Bitcoin guy. I think El Salvador will thrive in the next coming years as a country. Now, taking a look at the next news, rumors of Apple entering into Bitcoin and crypto space. Very good sign of adoption. We can see also here Facebook and Instagram to allow spot Bitcoin ETF ads soon. So we got Google, now we got Facebook and Instagram. So it seems like that we are seeing massive advertisements coming for the next coming weeks. And this means only one thing. More people interested in Bitcoin, more interested in the Bitcoin ETF. We can see all, 177,000 BTC stashed by 9 ETFs. BlackRock and Fidelity hold nearly 75% of them. This is a huge amount of Bitcoin that has been accumulated during just a few weeks. Guys, let's go here through the giveaway because the K app is giving $1,000 giveaway. This is going to be $500 to 2 lucky persons, okay? And the only thing that you need to do is follow these steps. Sign up to the K app. You have the link down below in the description. It is the second link, okay? Easy steps. Activate your cash account. This is as simple as just clicking here, the tab. Once you sign up to the K app, you need to click on the cash tab here and activate the cash tab. And you just need to deposit $20. As you deposit $20, here you can swap it for Bitcoin, swap it for whatever you want, to euros if you wish. And then you are registered for the giveaway, guys. Super simple steps. The giveaway will be announced on Friday. There'll be 2 lucky winners that will win $500. Thank you guys for joining. I'll be doing a live stream afterwards. Check out the BYBIT tutorial if you want to learn how to trade on that platform. It is my favorite. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.